Are you struggling to find keywords for your YouTube videos? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do keyword research for YouTube. The first step is to use YouTube search bar. Type in a keyword related to your video and see what suggestions come up. These are popular search terms that you can use as your main keyword. Next, use Google's Keyword Planner to find related keywords and see how many people search for them. This tool will also give you other relevant keywords that you can use to optimize your video. Another great keyword research tool is TubeBuddy. Type in your main keyword and it will show you the competition level, search volume, and other related keywords. It's important to remember to use long-tail keywords. These are phrases that are more specific and have less competition. For example, instead of makeup tutorial, use easy makeup tutorial for beginners. Lastly, check out your competition. Look at the titles, tags, and descriptions of other successful YouTube videos in your niche. Figure out what keywords they're using and see if you can apply them to your own videos. And there you have it. By using these tools, you'll be able to find the best keywords for your YouTube videos and increase your chances of getting discovered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.